Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to improve mic quality in Premiere Pro. So if you want to get the noise cancellation or maybe your voice smooth when you're recording in Premiere Pro, I'll show you how it could be fixed. So simply open a new project, or if you already have created a project, open it up. And after that, import the media that you want to upload. And also if you have pre-recorded audio or anything else that you want to use, you can just simply import here. After uploading the audio, then you have to put into the timeline where we can start making the sound smoother. So once the audio has been placed, or what you can do, you can record at the moment. It's up to you. After that, you have to get into the editing mode. So for that, click onto this editing option, and on the right side you can see we have this option called essential sounds. If you couldn't find this option, then you have to enable it. For that, go to Windows and then you have to enable the essential sounds from there. Once you have this section, you have to go to the dialogues. Then you will see this option within that, which is the preset, and this drop down menu with it. You have to click onto it and select the last option, which is for the podcast. And into this dynamics, you have to keep it 1.1, not more than that and not less than that. Just 1.1 and your work is done. Now you will play your sound and you will see it will be very smooth. And that's how you will be able to improve the mic quality in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.